What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the downfall of Strong, and I don't mean the downfall as in this is going to die forever, but I mean in the short term, yeah, things are not looking good. If you are a Strong token holder or a noder, then you are let's be honest, you're kind of sad right now, okay? I don't care how many nodes you have, you're looking at the price and you're like, damn, it's not looking good. And that's totally fine, okay? This stuff happens in crypto, and it's just part of the game, right? That's crypto, baby. Now, let's take a look at Strong. We're going to go look at some tweets, some memes, talk about why Strong actually is, I guess, having a bit of a free fall. And yeah, let's just get into the video, guys. Before we do get started, I want to say if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I post a lot of videos related to strong nodes, crypto passive income, as well as NFTs. Also, if you click the link in the description, you can see how you can get free Strong nodes. Yes, I'm not kidding. Free Strong nodes. I've already given away loads of Strong tokens to my community. So if you guys are interested, go check that out. Now, let's talk about Strong and what's been going on. And David Moss, sir, are you going to help us? Are you going to do something or what? No, I'm just kidding, guys. Okay, so Strong, $175, guys. The token that I guess was low-key still is one of the best money makers out there when it comes to DeFi and all these node projects. Now, this isn't a video to talk about other node projects or to compare one to the other, but when we take a look at Strong, we can see, boom, we had a nice peak over here about like 1,300 or whatever this was, or 1,200, and then since then it has been on a bit of a free fall. We did have a little bit of a pump at the start of the year, again back up to 685, and then whoosh, boom, it's been down ever since. So if you take a look at the 3-month chart, this looks absolutely horrendous, but there is reasons for this, okay? So to take a look at the overall crypto market as a whole, it is important to look at the overall crypto market, okay? We can see everything has just been dumping, okay? Bitcoin back into 39K, Ethereum back to 2,600. Literally everything is just absolutely dying, okay? Now, there are certain things that are still holding up, still doing decently well, but we all know when Bitcoin dumps, altcoins dump way harder, and when Bitcoin pumps, altcoins tend to just go parabolic, okay? So I don't make the rules, but that's just how the world works, okay? So we're down 17% right now, which is, again, absolutely atrocious. Regardless, again, if you believe in the project, now is the time to compound. So we're going to talk about it, okay? So one thing to note is, if you take a look at Strongbox Twitter, boom, there have been 365,000 nodes created, okay? Now, that equates to about 36,500 strong every single day. So 36,500. So yeah, that's a lot of money being printed every single day. Now the problem is, as more and more strong gets printed and gets, I guess, given out as rewards, there is much more sell pressure. So more people are going to now be able to sell their strong. Obviously, the more nodes, the better, because we want more people into the project. But again, we also have to remember, the more people that get in, if there isn't enough demand and the supply just continues to print and print and print, we are going to see Strong possibly die. Now, again, I'm not saying, listen, this is not FUD, okay? I love this project. I built a whole NFT project around this project, okay? I am a strong believer in Strong, haha, but I genuinely do want to see the project succeed. I really like the light paper, and I made a video about the light paper, so you guys can go check that out as my last video I made, but this is a problem, okay? And it is, I guess, kind of foolish, or I wouldn't be, I guess, naive to think that this isn't a problem. This is a problem. Now, regardless, once we have, I guess, the markets pumping, and hopefully some more, I guess, bullish news, just as a whole, I think this will be a lot better. We also do have an AMA coming up very soon, and I think after that AMA, we'll see much more people talk about what's going to happen with Strong, the stronger token, the Strong chain, and all that type of stuff. Now, let's move on to the memes, okay? Or not even the memes, but even just some tweets. Okay, this one's by Fuddruckers. Shout out to Fuddruckers. He said, me liking every bullish Strong tweet while looking at the price. And it's a girl crying and just doing that TikTok dance. I don't know how to do that dance, but yeah, it's kind of funny. Another one right here. So if Strong falls to $100 and you have at minimum 10 nodes, you're making $36,000 annually. That's a down payment on a house or a new car or more Bitcoin. Few understand this. And that's another thing, guys. As the whole markets, I guess all cryptos tend to, I guess, pump or dump around the same time, we gotta understand your purchasing power with Strong nodes is still gonna be the same. If you're still making the same amount of passive income relative to how much in other crypto you can buy, you're still gonna be chilling. And again, for someone like me, I do actually have 9 nodes. So when I guess, kind of zoom out and look at things in retrospect, it is great because, yeah, I could technically have a down payment for a house with just a year's worth of Strong nodes, right? And that's assuming the price crashes to $100, which honestly, I hope that doesn't happen. But if it does, damn, that would suck. I'm not going to lie. Now here's another tweet right here from Ross Booth. Shout out to Ross Booth if you're watching this video. Strong is down 63% over the past month. Don't forget that it fell over 90% in late 2020 after launch. My outlook on Strong Block hasn't changed, neither has my investment strategy. For those who are priced out at highs, this could be an opportunity, long-term mindset. I do agree, but I do also agree that the reason why Strong is dumping now is much different than it was before. Regardless, it is good to play devil's advocate. Now another one right here, Strong under $200. By the way, shout out to Worldwide Wex. Cool name. For your general crypto market pain, it's impossible to call a market bottom. It could either go down another 90% or it's bottoming here. And again, he pretty much just says the only way to do it right is by dollar cost averaging, which I talk about so much, so often. Hey, if you want dollar cost average into this, now is a good time. Guys, another thing is there's a lot of people doing technical analysis. I even had some of my team members and some of my close people to me do some technical analysis. The thing is, it's hard to do technical analysis on these type of projects, right? Like this isn't just like a normal stock or a normal crypto or like anything like that, right? This isn't like normal, right? The supply and demand, there's multiple different factors, so it's very, very different. Regardless, it is quite interesting to see, and all the technical analysis, it's not looking good. It's all saying that Strong is not going to make it. Anyways, here is Punisher Stinky.slime, okay? He pretty much says, this is the psychology Wall Street cheat sheet, and pretty much he's saying that we are now in the middle of, what is this? We're in panic / capitulation, and honestly guys, if we trade sideways for a bunch of time, like a bunch of months, that is totally fine with me, just because I'm in this for passive income, right? Whether that's more stable now and less volatile, that is totally fine for me. Now, another one is 3 months from now, $189 for a token will look like it was a great investment in my opinion. Shout out to Ang Crypto. Curious to see how low will go, a dollar cost averaging into my long-term bag. And obviously guys, this was the roadmap, which I covered in my last video, talking about what's going on. Like I said, if you haven't watched that video, go and check it out. We go very into detail, and we actually go through the light paper and everything as well. Now, finally guys, this is the Strong Dragons NFT project. Like I said, we're giving away a Strong token. I'm going to be announcing the winner literally in a couple hours, or maybe even a couple, depending on when you're watching this video, literally in my time, a couple hours. So if you guys are interested, join the Discord. All the links are down below. Here is the art, some cool art we got over here. Yeah, like this is a trippy dragon. Basically, we're using 80% of the mint to, I guess, buy Strong nodes, and from there, we're going to be giving away Strong nodes to our NFT holders every single week. Our goal is to give away about 1,000 Strong nodes by the end of 1 year. So guys, go and check it out. One Strong node can literally change your life, as we know. Now guys, that is it for the video. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the price of Strong? Are we going to die? Are we going to start to have some bullish momentum? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, leave a like. That's it for today. Until next time guys, remember, stay seeking success.